Hey there, foodies and fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel where we bring you the tastiest recipes with a healthy twist. Today, we're diving into the world of weight loss and helping you shed those extra pounds while still enjoying delicious meals. That's right, we're bringing you a compilation of low-calorie recipes that will keep you satisfied and on track with your weight loss goals. So, let's get cooking. First up, we have a mouth-watering breakfast option, a fluffy egg white omelet. Packed with protein and low in calories, this omelet will kickstart your day on a healthy note. Add in some spinach, mushrooms, and a sprinkle of low-fat cheese for an extra burst of flavor. Next, let's move on to lunch with a refreshing and light salad. Our Mediterranean-inspired salad is a medley of crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, cucumbers, and tangy olives. Top it off with grilled chicken breast for a lean protein option. Drizzle some homemade vinaigrette made with lemon juice, olive oil, and herbs for a burst of freshness. For dinner, we've got a zucchini noodle stir-fry that will satisfy your cravings without weighing you down. Replace traditional pasta with spiralized zucchini for a low-calorie alternative. Sauté it with colorful bell peppers, carrots, and lean protein such as shrimp or tofu. Season it with soy sauce and a hint of ginger for that irresistible Asian flavor. Now, let's not forget about snacks. We all love our midday munchies, but they can often lead to unhealthy choices. Fear not. We have a tasty and guilt-free option for you. Crispy kale chips. Simply toss kale leaves with a drizzle of olive oil, sprinkle some salt and pepper, and bake until they turn crispy. These will satisfy your snack cravings without derailing your weight loss progress. Lastly, dessert. Yes, you can still enjoy a sweet treat while on a weight loss journey. Our final recipe is a delicious and healthy fruit salad. Combine a variety of colorful fruits like berries, melons, and citrus fruits. Sprinkle some mint leaves and a squeeze of lime for an extra burst of freshness. It's a guilt-free dessert that will curb your sweet tooth. There you have it, folks. A lineup of low-calorie recipes that will tantalize your taste buds without sabotaging your weight loss goals. Remember, eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. So go ahead and try out these recipes, and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all my tasty and healthy recipes. Until next time, keep nourishing your body and living your best life.